Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your profile name on TikTok. So it's pretty simple, but you have to remember, once you change your name on TikTok, you need to wait at least a month if you want to rechange it again, alright? So if you're okay with that, then follow the step which I'm going to be showing you so you guys can change your profile name on TikTok. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, open your TikTok and go on versus profile at the bottom right corner, and you can see where it says edit profile. Click on edit profile, and once you click on edit profile, it's gonna bring you over here, which is the profile editing page of TikTok. Once you're over here, you can see the username option. Right beside my username, it says One to Step 6, so that's basically my username. If I want to change it, I can click on it and it's gonna bring me over here. Over here I can enter my new username. So let's say I just write 12. I just like this, alright? So if this username is not taken, I can use it, but for unfortunate reason this username has already been taken, so I'm just gonna write a random thing over here. So this username has not been taken by anybody, so I'm gonna click on save at the top, and it's gonna warn me you cannot change your username for 30 days. And if you're okay with this, click on set username and your username will be changed on the TikTok. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your username on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.